Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday hailed Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's leadership and contribution of the Indian Army in Bangladesh's 1971 Freedom War as he joined President Abdul Hamid and his counterpart Sheikh Hasina in celebrating the country's 50 years of independence. Addressing Bangladesh's 50th independence anniversary at the National Parade Square, Modi recalled the role played by Indian Army in the Freedom War and said, "The blood of those who fought for their liberation and the blood of Indian soldiers are flowing together, and this blood will form such a relationship that will not break down under any type of pressure." As COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra witness a worrying upsurge, the state is likely to impose stricter rules as it issues fresh guidelines by Saturday. Parts of Maharashtra that are worst affected by the surge in coronavirus infections might be placed under calibrated partial curfew. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Friday chaired the COVID-19 review meeting and took account of the preparedness, both district and division-wise, sources said. Maharashtra is among the 5 states that have registered a sharp rise in daily COVID-19 cases, the Union Health Ministry said on Friday, as India recorded more than 59,000 new infections, the highest single-day rise so far this year. 10 coronavirus patients died after a fire broke out at a Mumbai mall hospital where COVID-19 patients were being treated, a police official said on Friday. All the 10 people who died in the blaze were coronavirus patients. When the death toll was 2, the hospital had come out with a statement saying that both were coronavirus patients who were already dead from the disease when the fire broke out. It had added that there was no death due to the fire. It has not commented yet about the remaining 8 deaths. There is no word yet from the civic and hospital officials on how many people were evacuated and how many of them were coronavirus patients. The fire broke out at the Sunrise Hospital in the Dreams Mall building in Bhandupedia around midnight. The hospital is situated on the top floor of the 4-storied mall building. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, who visited the spot in the afternoon, said that strict action will be taken against those who are found responsible for the fire. Thackeray also apologized to the families of the victims and announced ₹5 lakh to the kin of each deceased. The Supreme Court on Friday ruled in favor of Tata Sons, allowing the conglomerate's appeals against the NCLAT order reinstating Cyrus Mistry as a chairman. The Apex Court set aside the order which allowed reinstatement of Cyrus Mistry as the chairman of Tata Sons. On January 10, 2020, the top court had stayed the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal's judgment. All the questions of law are liable to be favoured for Tata Group. The appeals are allowed by Tata Group, Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde said. The bench, also comprising of Justices A.S. Bopanna and V. Ramasubramanian, had on December 17th last year reserved the verdict in the matter. At least 32 people were killed and 66 were injured on Friday when 2 trains collided in southern Egypt, the health ministry said, the latest deadly rail accident to hit the country. A statement said that dozens of ambulances rushed to the scene in the Tahta district of Sohag province, some 460 kilometers south of the capital Cairo. Video footages which were seen by the AFP showed several carriages overturned. Egypt has been plagued with deadly train accidents in recent years that have been widely blamed on the inadequate infrastructure and poor maintenance. In March last year, at least 13 people were injured when 2 passenger trains collided in Cairo, triggering a brief suspension of rail services nationwide. Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying ₹199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying ₹3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our Super Supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.